Okay. So, as soon as I got the idea of recording myself and the weird sounds I could make, I decided that I can have a shot, and I just wanted to make that video. So, let's just get into it. Um, so, this sound I learned from my grandfather. He actually taught me that when I was very young, since I was in my kindergarten. Another sound I think it's pretty interesting is well, just don't get scared because it might be pretty weird. So we have this one. Okay, I just hope that I didn't mess things around that. But when I first thought about that sound, I was thinking about a bulldog that is having some sort of mental illness or something like that wherever. And I tried to replicate that in real life, and this is the result I got. Okay. Another sound that's pretty interesting is the pigeon noise I could make. Just wait a second. Oh, okay, I need to remember that one because it's pretty interesting. So, if you wanna try that sound yourself, let me explain you in short what you have to do. As you can see, I don't move my tongue at all. I'm moving actually that thing in the back of my mouth. I don't know its name, but I'll probably put it in the description somewhere. Okay, another sound that I find really interesting and I showed my colleagues a long time ago is actually the squirrels sound like. Actually, I don't remember how they managed to put me that name, but here it is. Okay, so this is another sound I can make, and it's pretty interesting in my opinion. I always wanted to communicate with these squirrels, but I never managed to find them. So let's keep going. Another sound I can make. Actually, I don't know how, but it was similar to the squirrel noise, but it's more of an underwater squirrel. Don't ask me. And it sounds something like. Something like that. Whatever. Yeah, and let's think of another noise that I can make. If it's not, if there isn't any other noise I can make, I'll think about it and I'll probably come with an edit later. But just let me think for about 30 seconds. Yeah, I got another one. It's the duck noise, I call it. I mean, you probably heard that in Mickey Mouse as well. As you can see, I can make that sound with either my left mouth or either with my right mouth. Sorry, not left, neither right mouth. I don't have two mouths, just so you don't get confused. I have only one mouth, but I meant the left part of my mouth and the right part of my mouth. With my left part, I can make the quack noise, and with the right one, I can also make the quack noise. But I can also make with both parts and make it. And it's pretty strange how a single person can talk in two directions simultaneously. I mean, you can clearly see that I made two different noises with the same mouth, okay? I mean, simultaneously, that's a thing. And let me think about another sound that I make. Well, actually, it might not be any other sound that I can make. But if I come with another sound during that time, I'll probably let you all know. And that's another thing I wanted to share with you guys. So, yeah. Peace.